Hey everybody, it's me again. Um, I was opening up a couple of bags of Happy Frog soil and one of the Ocean Forest from Fox Farm. I use these bags of soil for pretty much anything I'm potting around my deck, and also in my green stalk towers here. I have to say though, this time for some reason I don't know what happened. I don't know what Fox Farm, what's going on, but I keep finding plastic in the soil. Like as I'm digging through, there's just copious amounts of plastic. I just keep collecting it in the bag. I did contact the customer service and I spoke to a very nice gentleman named, and he said to send pictures of whatever I find in the soil, and that they would, I don't know, correct the situation. So I'm going to give Fox Farm the benefit of the doubt and see what happens after I send them these pictures. But I just wanted to let you guys know to look, see this? Check your soil. Check your soil before you start putting plants in it, because you end up sometimes finding things that you just don't want in your planter. Um, I don't want these pieces of plastic inside my planter. So just a quick tip, check your soil. All right, guys, because sometimes you're not getting everything that you pay for. I I really like the Fox Farm brand, but now I have to sift through this whole thing and see how much I can find. It's not good. Anyways, good luck. Happy gardening.